Good day, learners. Our lesson for today is all about the music of the Baroque period. The word Baroque is derived from the Portuguese word Barroco, which means pearl of irregular shape. During this era, there are new instrumental techniques and changes in musical notation. A lot of the musical terms and concepts that evolved in this era are still used today. Now, let's proceed to the different characteristics of Baroque music. First, melodies sound elaborate and ornamental. Number two, melodies are not easy to sing or remember. Number three, primarily contrapuntal textures. Four, dynamic contrast. 5. Orchestra consists of strings and continuo. And the last one, harpsichord and organ are the keyboard instruments that are commonly used during the Baroque period. So this is an example of the musical instrument during the Baroque period. Now, let's proceed to the different music genres of Baroque music. We have the first one here. It is called concerto. So when you say concerto, it is a form of orchestral music that employs solo instruments accompanied by an orchestra. So when we say orchestra, it is a group of musicians who play music together and who are led by a conductor. So as you can see in the picture, that is an orchestra. The second is called concerto grosso. It is a form of orchestral music during the Baroque time wherein the music is between a small group of solo instruments called concertino and the whole orchestra called tutti. The third one is called fugue. It is a contrapuntal piece developed mainly by imitative counterpoint. It is usually written in 3 or 4 parts with a main theme called subject. So when we say contrapuntal, okay, it means polyphony. The fourth one is called oratorio. It is a large-scale musical composition for orchestra and voices that incorporate a narrative story or a religious theme. It is usually written in native language. And the last one is called chorale. Chorale is a musical composition that resembles a harmonized version of hymnal tunes of the Protestant church. So when we say harmony, okay, harmonized version, so when we say harmony, it is a combination of different musical notes played. Now, let's try to know the famous composers of the Baroque period. Personally, we have Johann Sebastian Bach. So this is Johann Sebastian Bach. He was known for his composition for organ, orchestra, and oratorio. His works include the following: Concerto Grosso, Masses, Cantatas, and Fugue. The second composer is no other than Antonio Vivaldi, or his full name, Antonio Lucio Vivaldi, nicknamed Il Pretty-Rosso or the Red Witch. His most famous piece is called The Four Seasons. Next, we have George Friedrich Handel. He became England's favorite composer, remembered for his operas and oratorios. The Messiah is his most famous work. So that is George Friedrich Handel.